Welcome. This is an instructional video on how to make pizza dough for Nocino's Pizza. Now we're going to be using 8 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Alright, we're going to add 4 cups of water here. Water that is between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. Feels a little too loose and watery, we add a little more flour. If it feels like it's too dry, we add a little bit more water. So once it starts pulling together, we just start kneading the dough. Always make sure you have flour on the surface. Oh yeah.
Pizza, pizza every day.
Pizza in my mouth today.
See, you can see the light through it before it tears? See the light? It's good. We're gonna let it rise now. So just the outside of it is gonna be coated in olive oil.
Nocino!
We've let the dough rise, much bigger than before, and we're gonna cut it up into 16 individual little pizza balls. Oh. We wanna be as gentle as possible. We don't want to punch down the dough. We don't want to overwork the dough.
Nocino!
Beautiful. Look at that. So, now that it's cut, again, being gentle, we want to take each of these pieces, we just want to get them in little balls, and I call it jellyfishing it because you're just kind of rolling it out under itself here. You can see I'm just kind of pulling the dough, and I'm just kind of bunching it at the bottom, like a little jellyfish. Floured surface. And then I'm going to do this 15 more times.
Nocino!
We're gonna make sure we cover these things up, and we're gonna let them proof for another 10 to 15 minutes, and that's just to let the dough sink in a little bit more. Thanks for watching this video on how to make pizza dough. Go make some great pizza.